Well, once again, good morning all of you. It's a Desert Cricket Champions League 2023 Grand Final. Cochin Hurricanes taking on GAT CC, powered by Pro Sports Kuwait. Ship is the call from Nitin, and it is Ship. Nitin, you are lucky today on the toss. What have you decided, mate? We'll field first. Here comes first delivery. Right up the over the wicket, bit of swing there. But first runs for Cochin Hurricanes. Oh, wind flies away. Upishly over deep, third man. Oh, flighty delivery. Upishly goes the batter. Comfortably over cover boundary for 4. Again straight into the hands of man at mid-off. Gone. Change of pace and worked for Nishal. Oh, gets the inside part of the blade. There is no stopping. Hero blew his boundary. Right up over the wicket. Oh, that has smoked right up the middle of the blade. Upishly over cover. Again he goes upishly over leg stump. No problems. Again punished upishly over cover. No stopping. This will race away to the boundary rope in a hurry. Time in this over. Change of pace. And what a pickup that was of Justin Varghese. He joins the party as goes up over point. What a shot that was. Lovely from Varghese. Long off comes in the place of mid-off. Nitin is trying everything. Coming down the wicket. And he sends the opportunity to go down. Aerially over mid-off. Again coming down the wicket. Blasted away straight down the ground. There's a man at widest long off. He couldn't cut it off. Again slower ball. That was smoked away. Upishly over square leg. Gets the inside part of the blade. There's a man. There is nobody at fine leg boundary. That ball race away to the fence. Shot pulled away handsomely, upishly over mid wicket for 4. Again well flighted delivery. Decimated by John Peter. That's gonna be. This time coming down the wicket. How easily done. Effortless shot by Justin Varghese. That's Saujish. Right arm round the wicket. He comes and he bowls. Peter goes up over covers. And he will complete his half century. Excellent. You could realize how easily you can score. The keeper was very ordinary on that occasion. He missed it completely. Sports Kuwait. Hero blue waves. Slower through the air. There's a man at sweeper. This time he collects the catch. Finally. Oh, it's a full toss, sliced away. There's a man, and gone. Punished. Oh, a square leg. That was a huge blow. Looking for a wicket here. He's in search of a wicket. Change of pace there. Hammered down the ground again. This time he gets outside edge. It flies away, in fact. Oh, a short third. Look at that. He pulled away handsomely. Over the ropes. Square leg. Deep mid wicket. Goes over. Point this time. Couple of bounces into the fence. That brings John on strike. Outside edge, there is no protection. Another boundary. Show some confidence. Gone. It's a huge hit. Samuel is into his second over. Right arm over the wicket. First one disappeared. Another one. This time straight down the ground. Catch being completed. Yes. Couple of dot balls. Can he finish it off well? It's gone. It's gone high. There's a fielder. There's a fielder. Will it be taken? Yes. Deep point and deep extra. Mobin Joseph, and he comes. There's a man in the deep. Catch been completed. Sliced upishly over point. We have to wait for umpire decision. Yep, it has gone all the way to score runs. Coming down the wicket, gets inside part of the blade. That will run away to the fine leg boundary. Chase is on. Save your legs. There is another opportunity. This time goes over long off. Bowls him. Anup gets his radar right. In runs. Again crunched through the offside. There's a gap. Oh dear. Nitin Samuel. As soon as he came to bowl, he produced another wicket. Cochin Hurricanes just losing apart here, especially back end of the innings. 7 down for 219. We'll be able to conclude it nicely. It has gone. Tossed up delivery. There's another opportunity. Yes, says Nitin. Oh, it's gone. Miles. There's a fielder. 3. If they manage to finish off well, full toss, hammered over square leg. Oh, flashed away on the offside. It goes over sweeper boundary for a maximum. Bowls him through the legs, hits the stumps. Anup comes right arm over the wicket. Change up pace, bowls him. No, they don't. They bowled out for 240. Nitin Samuel pick up the bowler 4 off. Goes over mid wicket. One bounce into the fence. He's right on the boundary rope in the form of deep mid wicket. Mid off, long off comes in. Gets an inside part of the blade. That will race away to the boundary rope. Hero Blue Waves boundary. Bit of width through the offside. Punished for 4. Again width flashed away through the offside. Straight down the ground goes. The ball is coming towards long off. Don't go anywhere. What a shot that was. In that confidence. Again it's gone straight out the ground. Cameraman. Oh, he found the place, found the timing, found the placement and a boundary. Oh, shot of a good length. Turned away handsomely through the onside. Towards square leg, another boundary. Another one. So partnership comes up 51 from 16. Fuller length again, driven firmly. What a shot that was. Raju on strike, 20 from 6. Raju goes over mid wicket. Here comes Finney right over the wicket, past umpire. Oh, it's a shot again, pulled away handsomely over mid wicket. Poor delivery from Finney. Change 72 from 22 balls. Oh, what a shot that was. Lovely. Lovely. From Raju. Up over cover. 16 overs still left. Flashed away. It's a wild flash through the offside over point. Couple of bouncers into the fence. She goes back. And now confident start. Again goes through the offside. This time over cover. Full toss. Flashed his hands very hard at it. And beats the fielder at point for 4. Again goes up over mid-on. And they bring up century partnership. Scored. Highest partnership. This one goes over mid-wicket. And he brings up century as well. जीत नायर दूर वाले चोर से राइट आर्म ओवर द विकेट. इस बार कदमों का इस्तेमाल. कोई मौका नहीं. 6 रन. और इस बार स्कूप किया था वहां पर फाइन लेके ऊपर से. गेंद अपनी मंजिल की ओर. सीमा रेखा के बाहर 4 रन में एक ही खिलाड़ी. इस बार थोड़ा सा रूम मिला. ऑफ स्टंप से बाहर जाती हुई 4 रन. पॉइंट फील्डर के ऊपर से का सामना करने के बाद 15-16 रन इस ओवर में. फिर एक बार छोटी गेंद और उसे पहुंचा दिया कवर बाउंड्री के बाहर. 4 रन 18 गेंदों में 20 रन का ए ओवर. इस बार छोटी गेंद. फिर एक दफा फुल पुल कर दिया. कोई फील्डर वहां पर तैनात नहीं है क्योंकि ये गेंद सीमा रेखा के बाहर जाती हुई. छक्का. 5 खिलाड़ी 30 गज के बाहर रह सकते हैं. पावर प्ले ओवर नहीं. इस बार बोल्ड हो गया वहां पर. इस बार खराब गेंद वहां पर. भरपूर फायदा मिलता हुआ श्रीकानी को. अच्छा ओवर अभी तक जा रहा था. 144 पे 1. जॉन पीटर आए और बॉल किया सीधा सामने के ओर. 4 रन. Oh, edge. It's been gone. He break the shackles. They put pressure on Vasudev. That's a juicy full toss into the hands of point. Oh my goodness. It's been called a no ball. Hasn't capitalized on it. He's Vasudev. Oh, it's a misfield. From 9.3 overs. Oh, smoked away middle of the blade. Beats the mid-wicket fielder to perfection. This time fuller length. Goes through the offside. And well-deserved boundary. Again shot. Goes down the ground. There's a protection in the long on region, but he can't do much. The ball was just going rapidly. अट्ठाईस पर नाबाद. माफ कीजिएगा. इस बार खेल दिया है उसे सामने. फील्डर वहां पर मौजूद लेकिन गेंद 6 रनों के लिए जाती हुई. वक्त जरूर लिया अपने आप को और इस बार खेल दिया है सामने के ओर. फ्लाइटेड गेंद. कोई मौका नहीं. 6 रनों के लिए जाता हुआ. Guided that one down to third man region. Excellent shot of 28. He goes through the offside now. There's a man. Plenty of work to do. 2 converging fielders. Oh my goodness. Good shot. He finds his spot. Goes behind square. He races to the boundary row for 4. Straight down the ground. Goes over long on for a maximum. Again a full toss. Samuel goes through the onside. Oh, but can't beat. The other one buys the dust. It's nice slower ball. Well flighted. Prakash wanted to place it over mid-off. Slicing it. Cover fielder diving forward. Completes the catch. Oh, pulls and pulls. Nitin was in a good position to play that shot. Oh, Nitin goes through the onside. A mighty blow. Just a hit away to win this game. Vodaka on strike. He turns away on the onside. They'll take a quick single. And they are victorious. What a run chase. And look at the celebration. All their teammates on the field. It's a remarkable victory. Congratulations to Nitin and his entire team. And hard luck to Shrijit Nair despite giving a good performance. Celebration all over.